welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I do have birds behind me, and like you read the title, this is an unboxing video. Kind of insane, my first unboxing video on my channel. I guess I'm making some kid to adult content because this is the game. It is called Codemasters. It is a programming logic game. So very cool, made by Think Fun. 60 levels, beginner to expert, and it is for ages 8 to adult, and it's single player. I don't know, in unboxing videos, I guess people typically have them out of the wrapping. Yeah, I purchased this for around like $30 in a local shop. I'm not sure how much it sells like on Amazon or something. Again, it's called Codemaster. That might be a thumbnail, who knows. Yeah, excited to open it. So unboxing, I shall now release it from its box. Okay, let's see what we got. Cool, so we have first a map book. Boom. So we have different maps from map 1, which I just showed, to map 5. I wonder, it probably increases in level, and there are different scrolls. And here, I can read what it says in the box, actually, because it kind of explains what's going on. The ultimate coding adventure. Maybe I shouldn't put this upside down while it's open. Okay, so basically it teaches programming principles. This fun adventure game builds planning, sequential reasoning, and problem solving skills, in addition to teaching more complex coding concepts, such as loops and conditional branching. So cool. It's an offline approach that will get players of all ages, offline, to take their first step in becoming codemasters. Oh, I actually thought some of this would be online. That's so interesting. I thought it would be like a combination of both. So I opened it up. It looks like I got another little book and spiral bound and some pieces. Then I have these guys. Ooh, look at that one. And this little blue piece. Not sure what that does yet. Obviously not sure anything in this game. Cool. So I think the instructions are in this wrapping. I'm going to kind of learn the game. I'll find the right camera angle to like display what's going on. And I'll maybe walk through a journey. Maybe we'll do like an easy one first, since I have no clue what I'm doing yet. Yeah, I'm excited to go on this journey together. Let's see if there's anything on the box else that I want to say. And sorry, there might be some background rain noise. There's a skylight above me, and it's raining, obviously. It's not something I added in as a sound effect. Ooh, level 1. Select level 1 and set your avatar, crystals, and portal on the map. This is awesome. Your goal: using the specified action tokens, create a program that will lead your avatar to collect all crystals on the map and land at the portal. All right, I'm excited to get started. Awesome. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'll go through gameplay, and I'll read some instructions out in but a moment. And actually, I'm thinking this might be a better way if I bring it, I did this computer part second. So if I bring it onto my computer, and then when we get to like the harder levels, for level 1, I think it's fine, my layout. But for harder levels, yeah, I don't see why not. So we start with level 1, and you'll see in a second, these numbers mean that's like the placement. 5 is where we start, 3 is our portal, and we're given 2 red pieces, 2 green pieces, and we have to figure this puzzle out. So that's level 1. Yeah, I think it makes more sense to do it this way. If you want, you can pause it here and try to solve it yourself, or just like listen to my instructions. You can even like try playing level 2. So maybe you listen and then you come back and play level 2. All right, stick with me. Okay, let's play. These are my hands, as you could probably figure. Okay, so I have the board open. I'm gonna start at level 1. I kind of propped everything up, so hopefully this layout works. Okay, so it says level 1, my player, this dude, awesome sword dude, starts at 5. And my goal, I don't know if I really want to tape him down, for now let's do, is to get to 3. That's where the portal is. Okay, so let's read some instructions. And I'm also given 2 green tokens and 2 red tokens. So let's go to that page. So on page, just saw it. Cool. Okay, page 10, it lays out what the action tokens defined. So red tokens, these tokens allow your avatar to run between two locations connected by a red path. So I can only go red paths. And then slide tokens, they allow your avatar to slide between two locations connected by a green path. So be sure to run and slide. And then blue tokens, which I'm not given on level 1, they allow my avatar to jump between two locations on a blue path. Okay. So let's read the message. Yes, to parents and educators. The idea, is my dog in the background? No. The idea is that all kids should learn coding skills. Oh, the idea that all kids should, and I guess could, learn coding skills is one of today's fastest growing educational movements. Codemaster is a fun, hands-on way to develop computational thinking abilities and to build the mental skills necessary to understand the concept of coding. Research suggests that one primary skill required to be a successful programmer is the ability to emulate the step-by-step execution of a sequence of instructions in your mind's eye to visualize how the instructions will play out. It's true. With Codemaster, players learn to do exactly that. Cool. So, okay. Welcome back. My phone fell for a second. So, let's see. Okay, so much of the educational power of the game comes from the guide scroll, really a heavy-duty flowchart. The variety of layouts will introduce fundamental programming control constructs like while loops and if-then-else conditional branching. Cool. The Codemaster's rules of programming execution mimic the way real computers execute programs, stepping through a procedure contained in the computer's memory, where some instructions are actions, and others are conditional tests that determine where the instruction pointer should jump to next. Running Codemaster programs by hand, players will build a powerful mental model of how computers operate. And then there's also some chances of debugging the program. So sometimes you may think the program is going to work. When you run it, something goes wrong. That's okay. Just reset the avatar and the crystals to their initial location. And try it again with a different program. Which tokens are you sure about? Which can be swapped? Check the map for other possible pathways. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so sometimes in level 1, there are actually no tokens out. These are the tokens. And then I guess sometimes we can also have like 2 times and 3 times. I haven't actually written, okay. Yeah, we'll get to that when we get to that. So we're not up to that level yet. And there's also an answer key in the back, so we're not gonna look at that. So crystal pieces. Collect all the crystals and land on the portal. So I guess since there are no crystal pieces in level 1, we're just trying to get from point A to point B. And then we'll level up. Let's play it basic to hard. So level 1, again, 2 reds, 2 greens, and I'm here. So I'm thinking I want to get here. So, but I want to get there, I believe, using all 4. So I don't want to, because I could go to 2 using a red, and then from green to 0. Oh, I think I know. Yes, so that's 1, 2. Okay, so I think I have it mapped out now. Kind of started it off. But it's good to have an image, because if I went just green to 4 and then red to my portal, I would not be using up all 4. Okay, so I'm going to use the red, and that's a run token. Ready? Run! Okay, then I'm going to use the green. He's kind of taped down, so you can just mimic. He's sliding. It's a slide token. So I use the green. So I went from 5. So I went from 5 to 2 to 0. Then I'm going to use another red token to run to 1, and then slide all the way. And where's this? On 3. Boom. So I made it. Okay, so that's our first run through. Cool. I think I'll move on to harder levels. And let's see. I'm going to just look at that one. 5 to 2 to 0 to 1 to 3. Cool. That is how locations in order. Yeah. Awesome. And then there are also, oh, I see, these are conditional tokens. The orange troll token, the purple troll token, and the crystals collected token. So there can be like multiples of that. So we'll get there when we get there. Maybe that'll be another video. Awesome. Thanks for being on this journey with me. And stay tuned.